Welcome to the Maternity Mentor. Today we will be talking about the top 10 items to help you recover from your C-section faster. Stay with us. Hi, I'm Samantha. I've been a registered nurse since 2009, working in mother-baby postpartum, NICU, antepartum, and labor and delivery. I'm also an IBCLC. I'm maternal newborn nursing certified, and I have received training in perinatal mood and anxiety disorders, as well as perinatal bereavement. Cesarean sections are a surgery that some women have to deliver their babies. Recovery can be challenging, but having the right things can make it much easier. One thing you won't see on my list is scar creams, lotions, oils, and other items like this. Use of these items too early can lead to an infection of your incision, and some women will have to be admitted to the hospital for treatment. Never apply anything to your incision without talking to your healthcare provider first. Now, let's explore our top 10 items to help you recover from your cesarean section. Let's start with number 10, a large water bottle. Any surgery has a certain amount of blood loss associated with it. This can cause anemia, which is already common in pregnant women. The treatment for this is iron supplements. The downside to iron is that it can cause constipation, which can lead to hemorrhoids. Drinking lots of water can help you combat constipation. Additionally, drinking plenty of water will help you with your overall health and well-being. Proper hydration can assist with better sleep and ensure good health, which is essential to healing. Finally, a large water bottle is ideal because after a C-section, you do not want to have to get up and down every 3 minutes to get some water. For more information on hemorrhoids and their treatment, please see our video on this. We will link that in the description below. Next on our list is a rolling cart that you can use for your feeding supplies. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, there's a certain amount of gear you need for these activities. Having a stocked cart near you helps you avoid having to run all over the place looking for stuff while recovering from surgery. Items I suggest you stock on your cart include burp cloths, nipple cream, nursing pads, an extra bra, an extra shirt for mom because spit up happens, extra nipples, pacifiers, charger, and snacks for mom. Rolling carts are also more convenient because you can easily take them everywhere in your house. If you live in a 2-story, think about investing in 2 carts. This leads us to our next cesarean section recovery item, a changing table. When you're recovering from a C-section, bending over can be torture, and you'll want to avoid it. Attempting to change a wiggling newborn's diaper on a bed or a couch may be an ordeal. Changing tables allow you to stand upright, which is less pressure on your incision. Make sure the table is well stocked with diapers, wipes, diaper cream, extra clothes, a shirt for mom because diaper changing accidents happen, and lotion. Before we continue, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe so you can get our latest content to have a happy and healthy family. Now, on to number 7, a cleaning service. My number 7 cesarean section recovery item is a cleaning service. It's important to rest after your surgery. You are now going to be taking care of yourself as well as a newborn. Cooking and cleaning can become an overwhelming obstacle, and living in a dirty house can be stressful. Hiring a cleaning service to come in once a week and clean for you can be a lifesaver. Cesarean section recovery is generally 6 weeks, but adjustment to life with a newborn can take a bit longer. I recommend hiring a service for 3 months if the budget allows. This reduces the pressure on you and allows you to focus on yourself, your partner, and your new baby. Do you remember that shower caddy you used to use in college? Well, that's my number 6 item for cesarean section recovery. Stock all your bathroom essentials in it, including pads, an extra change of underwear, a squirt bottle for cleaning, Tux pads, and wet wipes. Having all this stuff in one place makes your time in the bathroom quicker and easier. We're halfway through our list as we reach number 5, a belly band. After a cesarean section, you will still have a heavy belly as your uterus shrinks back to normal size and fluids shift in your body. Having that belly hang down due to gravity can add pressure to your C-section incision, causing pain. It can also cause lower back pain. A belly band wrapped firmly around the waist supports the belly for you and places your spine into proper alignment. Many moms are concerned it's going to hurt, but every mom I've encountered loves their belly band and wears it all the time. Always check with your healthcare provider before using a belly band. Some providers are adamantly against belly bands, so you want to get their opinion first. Speaking of healthcare providers, let's talk medications. After a cesarean section, there is a certain amount of pain. Your provider will send you home with a prescription for painkillers. Please fill it and take them as prescribed and needed. Pain can have significant negative impacts on a postpartum mom, including poor sleep, poor mood, increased anxiety, poor interaction with baby, and poor recovery due to lack of movement. If you are breastfeeding, please know all the medications prescribed are usually safe for breastfeeding. Healthcare providers know that many women breastfeed and they do not want to put your baby in harm's way. Ask your doctor if you are concerned. Another common medication used after surgery is a stool softener. Stool softeners do not make you use the bathroom. Instead, they draw water into the colon so that when you do have to have a bowel movement, it is nice and soft. This way, you do not have to strain when using the restroom. Also, easy bowel movements are essential in reducing pain on the incision when recovering from a C-section. Now onto our top 3. Number 3 is high-waisted underwear. The underwear should be cotton and well-fitted but on the looser side, basically granny panties. Tight, low-rise underwear will rest right on your C-section incision, causing a great deal of pain. High-waisted panties are far more comfortable, and they also make it easier for you to wear 2 pads if that makes you feel more secure. You won't wear these panties forever, but they are a lifesaver for the first 6 weeks. Number 2 on our list is HELP. Recovering from any surgery is hard, and HELP makes everything easier. For whatever reason in our society, if we're recovering from knee surgery, we ask for help, but not from a C-section. Enlist your friends and family to help you. Ask them to pick up groceries, help with the laundry, drive you to the doctors, or just take you to lunch. Not only does this assist you with your recovery, but it can also eliminate the isolation many new moms experience. Help doesn't mean you couldn't handle everything. It means you recognize that your priority is your own health and the health of your baby. My number 1 cesarean section recovery item is gift cards, specifically gift cards for food. I do not think I ever leave a patient's room without suggesting this. After recovering from any birth, but especially a C-section, cooking is the last thing you want to be doing. Having gift cards on hand to pay for food can be life-saving. This also makes for quick dinners when everything falls apart during the day through no fault of your own. Remember, a couple days or even weeks of takeout won't kill you. Cesarean sections are a major surgery, and recovering from them takes time. I hope this video has given you some ideas for items that might help you comfortably recover from your C-section so you can get back to your new normal faster. Please share your comments and let us know what topics you would like to hear more about. If you like this content, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you can be the first to receive this information. Remember to share this channel with your friends and family and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for additional content. We will link those in the description below. Thank you so much for joining us at the Maternity Mentor.